If you apply this oil before bed, your body switches into cleanup mode while you sleep. Not symbolically, not spiritually, biochemically. Your gut drains. Your lymphatic system activates. Inflammation shuts down. And almost nobody has been told why. Tonight, I'm breaking down 10 specific benefits of castor oil at night, and the exact biological mechanisms behind each one, plus the critical mistake that turns this ancient remedy into a toxin if you buy the wrong kind. Stay until the end, because benefit number 10 explains why millions wake up tired even after sleeping 8 hours. Ancient medicine always emphasized timing, and modern science now confirms why. During deep sleep, your body enters what researchers call the restorative clearance phase. This is when the lymphatic system flushes waste from your brain. The liver increases detoxification. The parasympathetic nervous system takes control. Your body doesn't heal during the day. It heals at night. Applying castor oil before bed syncs its pharmacological effects with your body's natural cleaning cycle. That's the secret. Now let's break it down. Apply a castor oil pack to your abdomen before sleep. By morning, many people wake up with a noticeably flatter stomach. Not from dehydration. Not from fat loss. From mechanical clearance. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which activates EP3 prostaglandin receptors in the smooth muscle of your intestines. That triggers gentle contractions, releasing trapped gas, waste, and fermentation buildup. You're not shrinking your body. You're emptying the tank. This is the most powerful and most ignored effect. Your lymphatic system is your body's source system. And unlike your heart, it has no pump. A study published in the Journal of Naturopathic Medicine showed that castor oil packs significantly increased lymphocyte production compared to placebo. That means immune activation and toxin clearance. Applied over the liver or abdomen, castor oil creates a mild pressure and circulation shift, essentially manually draining stagnant lymph. If you do nothing else, do this. People think insomnia is psychological. It's usually inflammatory. When castor oil is applied to the abdomen or eyelids, not inside the eyes, it promotes absorption that shifts the nervous system toward parasympathetic dominance. Ricinoleic acid lowers inflammatory signaling that keeps cortisol elevated. Lower cortisol means higher melatonin, faster sleep onset, deeper REM cycles. You don't fall asleep faster because you're relaxed. You fall asleep faster because your nervous system finally shuts up. Most skincare products sit on the skin and evaporate. Castor oil behaves differently. It's a humect, meaning it pulls moisture from the air into the skin, but it also penetrates deeply enough to support collagen and elastin production. Its fatty acids fill microgaps in the skin matrix and neutralize free radicals that cause aging. You don't wake up oily. You wake up looking like your skin was repaired from the inside out. Castor oil is a natural anti-inflammatory, similar to capsaicin, without the burning sensation. Applied to joints and wrapped, it interferes with substance P, a major pain signaling molecule. A 2009 study showed effectiveness in managing knee osteoarthritis. This isn't masking pain. It increases circulation so damaged tissue can actually heal. You don't need to ingest castor oil. Even topical application stimulates intestinal movement through prostaglandin signaling. Applied to the lower abdomen before bed, many people experience a gentle bowel movement by morning. A clean colon doesn't just improve digestion. It improves mental clarity, mood, energy. A backed-up gut equals a foggy brain. This is why castor oil went viral. Ricinoleic acid inhibits prostaglandin D2, PGD2, a compound strongly linked to hair loss in both men and women. By reducing PGD2 and increasing scalp blood flow, castor oil helps wake dormant follicles. Scalp, eyebrows, eyelashes. It doesn't coat the hair. It feeds the root. Scar tissue is chaotic collagen, stiff, fibrotic, disorganized. Castor oil penetrates deeply enough to soften this tissue and encourage healthier remodeling over time. Stretch marks fade. Surgical scars soften. It also helps acne and fungal overgrowth by dissolving pore blockages instead of creating them. Your thymus gland is where immune cells are trained. As you age, it shrinks. Applying castor oil over the sternum or lymph nodes supports T-cell activity, especially during illness or stress. Before bed, it's like reinforcing your immune system while the body repairs. Dry eyes aren't usually a lack of water. They're a lack of oil. Applied carefully to the eyelids, castor oil stabilizes the tear film and unclogs meibomian glands. You wake up without the gritty, sandpaper feeling. Most castor oil is processed with hexane, a petroleum solvent and known neurotoxin. Even worse, castor oil is a plasticizer. If it's stored in plastic, it can leach BPA and phthalates directly into the oil. The unsafe rule. Hexane-free. Cold-pressed. Glass bottle. No exceptions. They tell you your symptoms are normal. Pain. Take a pill. Gut issues? Add another chemical. But the real issue isn't deficiency. It's stagnation. Tonight, apply the pack. Wear an old shirt, it stains. And let your body's night shift finally do its job.